How to log in to ADP Employee Account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Open up a browser on your device. Now in the search bar you have to go ahead and search for ADP Employee Login and give it a search. Select the option of Login, which is the first suggestion at the very top, and make sure that it is from the official web page. Now the login, you have to select the option of sign in at the very top, so go ahead and do that. Then go ahead and select the option that describes you the best. I'm selecting my current employer uses ADP, then tap on next. Kindly note that the credential and layout will be different according to the description that you selected. Now in here you have to enter a user ID. Then if you want your user ID to be remembered, just go ahead and tap on this box right here. But make sure you are using your personal device. If you have forgotten your user ID, go ahead and select the option of Forgot User ID. Fill out your first name, last name and select either of email or mobile number, where it will send you a link or an OTP code so that you can recover your account. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.